Hi, I'm Santi from the Peak Design Softgoods team. This is a tech pouch. It's a brilliant organizer for cords, chargers, and everyday carry. It's one of our best-selling bags, and it's been all over the world. It's won many awards, and now it has a little sibling. Introducing the small tech pouch. Hey there, wanna play? Who are you? I'm the small tech pouch. Whoa, all my brilliant features packed into half the size? Their product developers must be really talented.
The small tech pouch takes the award-winning design, utility, and aesthetics of our best-selling original tech pouch and scales it down to half size. It fits anywhere. Yet, it's impressively full-featured. The interior features a 12-pocket layout with 4 main origami-inspired pockets for large items like chargers, a stylus or pen loop, and a variety of small zip pockets and stretch pockets for little stuff. It opens extra wide for total visibility, and when open, it sits upright for easy access. The exterior features our proprietary VersaShell 400D fabric and a burly No. 8 Ultra Zip, making the bag exceptionally weatherproof and highly abrasion resistant. A grab handle and corner pleats make it easy to pull the pouch out of tight spaces. And 2 cord hook external carry loops let you connect a carry strap or any Peak Design camera strap, converting it into a micro sling bag. Both the original tech pouch and small tech pouch are fair trade certified, made from recycled materials and 100% carbon neutral.
And there you have it. You can find both of our tech pouches online at PD stores and at thousands of dealers worldwide. If you got questions, hit us up. Take it easy.